growing up in a small town. It was beautiful. We grew up from humble beginnings, resources were limited, but, we were rich in love, support, wisdom, and guidance.
What I can remember is that Henry was a little bit different than the rest of us. He was the eldest, and he was always studying, and he always had, a glass of milk, that he would be sipping on, and always, with his toes, moving them around and watching TV or studying.
I was young, but as I grew older, it became very apparent that continued throughout his life. That's something that he always knew that was important. Our parents taught us that obviously the key to success was going to be education.
Henry had a different view. He wanted to come back to Laredo and go to college here, go to high school and college. He was taking a leap that was beyond my comprehension.
Congressman Cuellar and I grew up together. We were not only in Nixon, but we were at Lamar also, Lamar Junior High. And then we both played in the mighty Mustang Band. And then he went on to get educated at UT in Georgetown. And he came back to Laredo to help serve the community. And he has served the community in a big capacity, especially with helping a Gateway Community Health Center ever since he's been in politics. And in the 2000s, when we really started growing, he provided a lot of funding for us at that time. Then he went into Congress, the U.S. Congress. He became our U.S. Congressman back then. And he has provided millions and millions of dollars for us to care for our patients.
I think it's important for him because of, where we come from. Back then, we didn't have any insurance. We didn't have any insurance. My father and mother were migrant workers. And I think he started the CHIP program, where the kids are getting health insurance, and I know that he supports it very strongly because of our background, where we started. I didn't know what insurance was back then, and we didn't get it. We went to the doctor and paid how we could, how my parents could, but there's a lot of people that were, that are in this same position like we were, and I think Henry has never forgotten where he comes from.
Our parents taught us, do what's right, no matter what the consequences may be. And I think we've seen that in him. And I think that's so important. And to be honest and always treat everyone with respect and communicate, learn how to collaborate with individuals to get things done. He inspires other people to achieve their dreams and their goals, but it takes hard work. And that's what he did. He worked so hard to achieve everything that he has, and all the monies that he brings. He makes it seem like it's so easy, but it's not.
Congressman Cuellar has always helped community health centers like ours throughout his district and throughout the nation ever since he was elected into Congress back in the early 2000s. So it's been a 20-year relationship, and he knows the way we work nationally and statewide and locally. We're in constant contact with Congressman Cuellar, as well as the folks in his office who help us quite a bit, because all of them, from Congressman Cuellar on down, understand our mission, understand how we work as a quasi-federal agency, how we receive federal funding, and how we use those federal funds to take care of our patients, those that are most in need in our community. There's such a need here for quality healthcare, accessible healthcare, affordable healthcare, and that's what we're going to be providing here at Gateway Community Health Center.